Our restored garage. We had the finished welding for the firewall on both sides, and we had the starting of the floor pan. Took hours to do this. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. You can see all the holes that it drilled, what he did weld. It's going to go together very nicely. Alright. We did discover a problem though. The passenger side rear torque box was rusted on the bottom of the torque box. You can see the hole that I cut out, and inside there's rust towards the frame rail. Towards the rocker panel, there's not so much rust. But in there towards the frame rail, there is some rust. You can see it right there where I grinded some of it off.